Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on the battery option. As you can see here, we've got the battery percentage option, which is right now obviously turned off because we've got only the battery icon on the status bar. So in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher right here. And as you can see, immediately right next to the battery icon, we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery. Obviously, we can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher, but let me leave it like this. So actually, that's all. This is how to show battery percentage in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.